Well, at a whopping 30, maybe 32 miles an hour, this bike is running perfect. Got the idle fixed, changed spark plug, got the loose headcock. I was losing fuel everywhere. As soon as I turned the gas on, fuel would spill everywhere, so I took that apart, fixed it. Brake light's not working. Gotta figure out that. But speedometer's working. I put 2 miles on it, up and down our street. Fix the brake lever, so I got brakes. A fun little bike. 450 miles. And the original owner, I just took out the registration. Last registered in 1978. A quarter mile from my house. No shit. Make a left on La Cresta, and it's the second house up. I could walk there. So I'm sure he's dead, but I'm gonna go over there anyway and introduce myself. Cha cha cha.